Hello, companions and tutor. My name is Erlinda Vanessa Quiñones de Santa Maria, and this is my activity of video. Task 7, recording, and the fifth, reading. Eye motions, signs, or feelings that are often instance lasts for only or short time and are clearly directed at all costs by one or some circum. At times, six positive emotions include joy, pride, regret, and compassion. We must show positive vision and the joy to others by always trying to be positive and cheerful. Negative emotions include anger, anxiety, fear, sadness, envy, and guilt. The two minimal parts: cut, what, width, right, cup, kite, night, bake, steak, cow, cup, pin, win, tear, pear, dash, bash, die, buy, dig, pig, bear, pig, duck, book, date, bait, tire, car, tall, cool, tape, cape, tooth, cut, talk, wrong, tie, gui, tag, walk, turn, roll, tag, walk, table, fatful, tin, fin, tile, fall, tongue, phone, tick, week, tear, intonation, statements with one asterisk. She walks, we laughed, it stopped. Statements with two asterisks. Tom is reading, Mike is sleeping. The car stopped. The watcher has changed. Stands with three asterisks. Children like to play. The boy is reading a book. The weather is going to change. Stains with 4 S's. She wants to buy a new car. He wrote the letters very quickly. The teacher told her student a story. Stems with 5 X's. Alex wrote the letters very quickly. Victor is going to London next month. Tanya is reading the book you wrote yesterday. A special question following intonation. What is your name? What's your name? Where are you from? Where do you live? Friendly, interest, potencies, raising intonation. What is your name? Where do you live? What did she say? Where have you been? General question, raising intonation. Have you read this book? Have you heard the news? Do you need some help? Do you have a pen? Corrections, raising intonation. May I speak to she, please? Could speak to Mitchell, please? Can I borrow your dictionary, please? Alternative caption, raising and falling intonation. Will you come back at 5 or at 6? Does she read books in the morning or the night? Will you try to do it today or tomorrow? That caption, falling or raising intonation. You don't count them, do you? They haven't found it, have they? You were late, were you? I shouldn't do it, should I? Command falling intonation. Tell me the truth. Give me your hand. Do it yourself. I him for help. Rescue raising intonation. Close the window, please. Tell me your name, please. Ask him to call me, please. Exclamatory sentences, falling intonation. It's good to see you. It's an excellent opportunity. I am so happy. Direct address, raising intonation. She, can you hear me? Lena, are you there? Tony, where are you? Enumerating raising intonation. I bought bread, cheese, and tomatoes. We need paper, pens, and pencils. Responses. I can, she is, he will, you should, I can, he didn't. Thank you, this is my video.